In this video, we will visit the website freesound.org. Freesound.org offers thousands of sound effects and music tracks free for you to use in your video project. The sound effects and music tracks are for non-commercial use. You'll also need to credit the provider of the sound effect or music in your project. To begin using freesound.org, you'll need to register. But after you've registered, just log in with your credentials and you can go search for any and all sound effects or music tracks for your project. I'll do a sample search for an eerie wind sound effect. It will help to sample and listen to more than one effect. Lots of times you'll get plenty of results that aren't exactly what you're looking for. When you do find that perfect sound or music track, go to the right-hand side and click on Download. It'll bring up a dialog box that you'll click OK on, and it will download the sound effect or music track to your computer. Remember to give credit to the owner of the sound or music in your project. This information is located on the sound effect or music track page that you choose. Share the sound effect or music with friends with the shareable link feature. Make sure you click on the Creative Commons link and it'll tell you all the things that you need to do in order to use these sound effects or music tracks in your project. You can also upload sound effects or music tracks that you've created to share with the rest of the community. Just click on Upload Sounds in the far right corner and follow the directions on how to upload your tracks.